New information tonight on the Dayton parents arrested after their 6-month-old child was rushed to the hospital in critical condition. Isaac Mason and his wife Amalia Mason called police to their Brooklyn Avenue home because the 6-month-old was not breathing. Police tell us living conditions were unhealthy, filthy. There wasn't enough food in the house for a family of 9. The 6 other children aged 2 to 9 were removed from their home by Child Protective Services and placed with a neighbor.
The house was neglected, and the children were placed in a situation that was not conducive to their best interest environmentally.
Now, police still haven't released what exactly happened to the baby boy, if there was any foul play. Right now, the infant remains in intensive care at Dayton Children's. Based on his condition, more charges against the parents could be pending.